In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from one Bybit account to another Bybit account for free. Now, before you do this, make sure that you do have USDT on your funding section. So make sure that you do have it as part of the funding section on Bybit, guys. So anyways, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on funding. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on withdraw. Then you want to go ahead and select on USDT, which should be right over here. So let's just go ahead and press on that just like so. And now it is going to give us a menu that looks like this. It's going to say on-chain or internal transfer. And what you want to do is you want to select on the option that does say internal transfer. All right, so once we're here in the internal transfer, you'll notice that there will actually be 0 fees, which is honestly really cool. And from here, you guys want to go ahead and add your recipient. So you can add them via their email, their mobile name, or their Bybit UID. So this is completely up to you. All you need to do is just enter in whatever information you do have, and then you want to go ahead and select on the amount of USDT you actually want to go ahead and withdraw to that account. And once you went ahead and confirmed everything, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on withdraw, and then it might ask you to confirm the transaction. And from there, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on send. And it might make you do like a verification, so make sure to go ahead and do that. But trust me, guys, it is 100% going to be worth it. So all you need to do is just copy and paste in the verification code. So if you do have to do that, then all you need to do is just follow the instructions, and then you should be good to go. But then there you go. As you're able to tell, it actually did work. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.